build a fairy house. Fairy houses can take many forms and can be created in many different places. Find a quiet place away from roads or busy pathways. The base of a tree or the side of a rock could be just right. Close to the ground is usually best. Sometimes you may find a special place in the low branches of a tree or bush. Look for building areas in woods, beaches, meadows, and especially your own backyard. Use only natural materials to build your house, nothing artificial. Many fairy houses look so natural that they are almost hidden. Have fun building them everywhere, in every season, and enjoy all of your special visitors.